Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. See, in the last class, we were discussing about weather and climate. Is it? Yes. See, we learned many things in this lesson. Is it? What is the weather? How it can change? What are the things effects on the weather condition? You know this. See, I told you, children, uh, weather of a particular place depends upon many things. Is it? Weather of a particular place depend upon many things. One is temperature. I told you, no, in the last class how it affects on the weather condition. Is it? When we study about the weather condition, we have to learn many things. We have to consider many things. One is the temperature. If temperature will be rise up means if temperature will be high means the weather can be changed. Is it? But second one is humidity. Second one is humidity. Humidity. What is the humidity? How it can affect on the weather condition? How it can affect on the weather condition? See, humidity is basically amount of the water vapor. Humidity is the basically amount of the water vapor which is present in the air. Which is present in the air. What is the humidity, children? Humidity is basically amount of the water vapor which is present in the air is called humidity. How it will be affect on the weather condition? How it affect on the weather condition? See, when the water in the water bodies like ocean, sea, you know that. When the water in the water bodies like this, ocean, sea, river, it gets heated, the water turns into the water vapor. When the when the water in the water bodies, when the water in the water bodies, it get heated the water. When the water in the water bodies, when it gets heated the water, it turns into the water vapor. Water vapor. See this one, sea, river, ocean. When it will get heated, that water will turn into the water vapor. Is it? See, the place which water vapor contain in the air, that place weather will change. When the place which water vapor contain in the air, you know that always this one water vapor present in the air. Is it? The water vapor always present in the air. When the place which water vapor contain in the air, that place weather will be changed. You know that? See, when the water in the water bodies, it will get heated. It will get heated. The water turn into water vapor. Is it? The water turn into water vapor. The place which water vapor contained in the air, that place weather will change. So, humidity also affects on the weather condition. Humidity also affects on the weather condition. What is the humidity? Humidity is basically amount of the humidity is basically amount of the water vapor which present in the air, which present in the air, which when the water in the water bodies like ocean, sea, river, when the water in the water bodies like ocean, sea, river, it will get heated, the water turns into water vapor. The place which water vapor contained in the air, that place weather can change. That place weather can change. So humidity also affects on the this one weather condition. See next one, third one, air pressure. Air pressure. See air pressure also affects on the this one weather condition. Air pressure also affects on the weather condition. See what is the air pressure? What is the air pressure? See, I told you children in the beginning. See, the earth surrounded by the air. Is it? Is it children? The blanket of air surrounding the earth. The blanket of air surrounding the earth. Air pressure means it is the weight of the air as experienced from all direction on land. Air pressure means it is the weight of the air as experienced from all direction of the land. It is called air pressure. Understood children? Air pressure means it is the weight of the air is experienced from the all direction of the land. It is called air pressure. See, movement of the wind. What is the movement of the wind, children? Do you know? See, the movement of this is the air pressure. Air pressure also we have to consider when we talk about the weather condition, and movement of the wind also affects on the this one weather condition. See, first one is temperature also affects on the weather condition, and second one is humidity, third one is air pressure, and fourth one is movement of the wind. Movement of the movement of the wind. There is a movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area. There is a movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area. It causes wind. What is the wind? There is a movement of air. It is a movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area. It is causes the wind. Is it? The movement of wind also affect on the weather condition. The movement of wind also affect on the weather condition. For example, sometimes winds are very light. Sometimes in some areas winds are very light. Is it? It is called breeze. It is called breeze. The winds are very light. Is called breeze. Is it? What is the breeze, children? Sometimes wind are very light. Is called breeze. Sometimes, children, sometimes winds are very strong. What we call it? You know that. You observe that. Is it? Sometimes winds are very strong. It can be storm or hurricane. Called be hurricane. Is it? So, that time can get rough the weather of particular place. So, when the winds are very strong, that time weather can get rough. So, in the particular place. Depends upon the these things: temperature, humidity, winds, then movement of wind. These also this one affects on the which one? This also affects on the weather condition. Next one is rainfall. Rainfalls also affects on the weather condition. When the water drops, gets too large and heavy, they fall as rain. When the water drops gets too large, and the water drops get too large and heavy, they fall as rain or snow. This is also affects on the weather condition. This is also affects on the weather condition. So, these things means these main things. One is the temperature, humidity, air pressure, movement of the wind, and rainfall. These also we have to consider these things in the weather condition. Okay. This also we have to consider in the weather condition. Okay. Next, children. See, this is a weather. Weather means it can change day to day or hour to hour. Is it? But sometimes it will be not change. It cannot change per day. It will take 1 month or 1 year, it can change. So it is called climate. It is called climate. Climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Climate is a weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Weather it can change rapidly, but climate it cannot change rapidly. It takes long time. Take long time. So that is a climate. Okay. Next I will continue this class, children. Thank you.